This is the problem from the following receipts and payment account and additional information. You have to prepare income and expenditure account of a particular club. Please switch off your microphone. No, you just listen by this time. So this is our problem, and like you have to prepare first part, that is receipts and payment account, and second part income and expenditure account. So in these cases, ultimately the question is provided like that way: receipts and payment account, like entire problem provided. You can see here opening balance, cash in hand 4,000, cash at bank 15,550, 3-year subscription provided, sale of newspaper provided, government grant provided, sale of furniture provided, interest on fixed deposit provided. So this is the receipt side. Now let's see the payment side. Here this is the payment side. General expenses 3,200, newspaper 1,850, electricity 3,000, fixed deposit at the bank 18,000. But within bracket here it is mentioned, that is rate of interest, how much it will be rate of interest. Like here rate of interest is provided 10% and date of fixed deposit provided. So from the date of FD till to the closing date we have to calculate amount of interest. If you see here 31st, here 31st June it is invested, so it will be calculated from 1st July to end of the year, that is 31st December. 18,000 into 10% into 6 by 12, it is coming 900. Now we have to calculate here how much already received and how much not received. According that basis we will do. Next term, that is books provided 7,000, salary 3,600, rent 6,500, postage 300, furniture purchase 10,500, and closing balance provided. So this is our problem. But when you make income and expenditure account, for the major features you have to remember. First of all, only revenue nature will come. Second features, only current year will come. Whether it is cash or non-cash, that also we will consider. Means it is prepared under accrual basis of accounting system. So therefore, if any outstanding is there, that you have to consider. If any prepaid is there, that you have to consider. That is the meaning of accrual basis of accounting system. Means ultimately how much should be for this current year, how much actually paid or how much received, that is not the question. Question is that how much should be, like trading and profit and loss account, that was also we did in class 11, that is under accrual basis of accounting system. The same system we will apply here in class 12 in this chapter, that is accounts for NPO. So if you consider separately here opening cash and bank balance, this will goes to the balance sheet because it is not revenue in nature, it is one way property, current asset. Subscription, this will come, but current year we have to consider. Here the current year you can see, that is 2015, it is a current year 26,500, though it is provided 3 year, like last year 1,200 will not consider. Current year 26,500, that we have to take. Now coming year also 500 is provided, so coming year will not consider. Already I told the criteria to prepare the income and expenditure account, only current year, not previous year, not coming year. Which year we are doing, that year data will consider, and according that basis we will find out the surplus or deficit of that organization. So here only current year will take. Sale of newspaper 1,250, so that it is revenue in nature, we will take on income side. Government grant, it is 12,000. Nothing mentioned that government grant for building fund or government grant for any other capital nature transaction purposes. So it has been assumed that it is a general government annually contributed, therefore it is a revenue nature, and we take it on income and expenditure account on income side. Sale of old newspaper, generally assets sale, asset purchase are not coming in income expenditure account because it is not the revenue nature. Already I told, only revenue nature, no capital nature will come in income and expenditure account. It is by nature nominal account. And similarly we will prepare which way, that is trading and profit and loss account, the same way we have to prepare. So therefore here purchase of assets, sale of asset we will not consider. But if any profit or loss arises for sale or purchase of assets, so that time that we have to consider. Here you can see here that is a book value 5,000, means cost price 5,000 and selling price 3,700. So automatically we can say there is 1,300 loss arises. So that loss will be coming on expenditure side of the income and expenditure account. Interest on fixed deposit. So here fixed deposit made by the concern, and according that interest is collected, that is 450. So that 450 will come, but at the same time you have to calculate how much we should receive the interest. For that we have to check the payment side. Now this is for payment side. If you see, that is payment side, fixed deposit is there 18,000 and 10% for 6 months it is coming 900. So out of 900 we receive only 450. So therefore 450 till due we have to consider. This 450 already received and 450 till not received, but as per our criteria to make the account, that is how much we should receive. So we'll write inner column by interest on fixed deposit 450, add outstanding 450. So 900 it will come on outer column. So these are all for receipt side. Now we'll go for payment side. Only revenue nature payment will be coming, no capital nature. So general expenses 3,200, it is revenue nature, so it will come on expenditure side. Newspaper 1850, newspaper, that is, it is also revenue nature. Regularly basis we purchase the newspaper, so it will come on expenditure side to newspaper. Electricity bill, it is also recurring nature, revenue nature, it will also come, but fixed deposit will not come. It will goes to the balance sheet on the asset side because it is a capital nature. Books of the particular club, it is not revenue nature. Books to the bookseller, it is revenue nature, but books of a particular student, of a teacher, or any organization like our TIGPS, it is an asset, so it will come on the asset side of the balance sheet. Salary, it is a revenue nature, staff salary for a particular organization. That salary recurring way paid to the staff, it will come. Rent, it will come, revenue nature. Postage, revenue nature. Furniture purchase, it is a fixed asset, it will not come, it will goes to balance sheet, asset side. Now that is closing cash and bank balance, that is also property nature, it will go to the closing balance sheet. Now some adjustment is there, like few are the transactions which were not recorded on the reception payment account. So these are the transactions, like last year subscription due, that is 2,000, no work for last year subscription in case of income and expenditure account, but when you make like balance sheet, that time we have to consider. Generally it will goes to the opening balance sheet because it was the last year subscription, like few members they were not able to make their payment on time, so therefore it is considered as a due. So last year subscription outstanding, which will come on the opening balance sheet asset side. Now here current year subscription which is being outstanding, that is 1,500, so that we will have to consider when we will make income expenditure account. How much we receive and how much not received, both we will consider, because the criteria of making that income and expenditure account, it is under accrual basis of accounting system. How much paid, how much not paid, but if it is a current year we will take it. So therefore this 1,500 will take. Now after that current year salary till outstanding, so it will be also added to the salary. 1 month rent prepaid, so how much rent is there, that is paid for 13 months, we will take for 12 months, 1 month we have to minus. Let's see the solution here. This is our solution. Subscription 26500 already received and not received 1,500, so therefore this year subscription it will be 28,000. Sale of newspaper, as it is a revenue nature 1250, it will come. Government grant 12,000, revenue nature. Now interest on fixed deposit, we receive 450 and due 450. I already told how we will calculate here. 18,000 into 10% into 6 by 12, it is coming 900. So already received 450 and not received 450, therefore both will be coming. This should be the this year interest on fixed deposit, that is 900. So this side is the revenue side, revenue, all the revenue are there. Now this side expenditure side, as it is all expenditure, but it should be revenue nature. General expenses 3,200, newspaper 1850, salary paid 3,600 and 600 not paid, that is current year outstanding, that you have to take, that is 4,200. Now after that electricity bill, it is as it is 3,000. Rent, it is prepaid for 1 month, So 6500 divided 13, it is paid for 13 months. So it is coming 500, and that is prepaid. This is paid for coming year, and we consider 2015. It is paid for 2016. Therefore, it is excluded. 6500 minus 500, so 6000 we consider here. Postage as it is 300. Loss on sale of furniture. That point already I told here. It is shown 1300. How it came? Once we'll check that sale of furniture part. Yes, this is the sale of furniture. Here book value 5000 is cost 5000 and being sold 3700. So therefore we can say that is 1300 being lost. Sale price is lower than the cost price. How much lower? That is 1300. So 1300 we have to consider. Two sides, that is it is a expenditure side as it is loss. But if it is a profit, then we will write here this side by profit on sale of furniture. Okay, this is the solution of that. Like that way we can make a non-profit seeking first for this income and expenditure account, and you can calculate the surplus or deficit. If you see here, there is income side is more, it is coming 42150, but debit side means expenditure side coming less. How much less? That is 22300. Income is more than the expenditure, that is called surplus. Within bracket we can write here excess of income over expenditure, and this surplus it will generally being transferred to our like capital fund, that is it will be added to the opening capital fund while we'll make the closing balance sheet. That time it will be clear. So in school, like we already completed this part, how to make income and expenditure account. Balance sheet, like we will start now very soon. So this part already like a student knows, those who came in school they knows here. So therefore it is easy to them. Now if anyone having the doubt or problem, that area again I will consider how we will make the income and expenditure account. So generally this is the criteria. If you consider, it will be easy to make. Only current year, only revenue nature, and both cash and credit. It is prepared under accrual basis of accounting system. So if you consider this criteria, we can easily make income and expenditure account, and we can find out surplus or deficit. So that is our main object to prepare this, how much surplus or how much deficit arise for that particular year of that organization. So this way, like we can make income and expenditure account. Now we are going for another topic,